What's up guys? Today we're working on another EVO. We're working on Tommy's EVO today. I gotta go pick up my buddy Hunter so we can get to Tommy's, start cracking on this beast. High speed 6.
Who's this bozo in this car?
We got Hunter.
Video.
We're coming to meet Tommy, but we found a sick Mustang. Look at this thing.
I love the R's. The aero package, you get different rims. I'm surprised.
Tommy,
How's it going?
pretty good. I see you got your bike.
That's right.
How do you like it so far?
Dude, I love it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you so much. It's so fun.
You got it painted and you did all the work, huh?
Yeah.
Wrap the headers.
Yeah, I have a couple
exhaust.
more things, but it's just about done.
Dang. You ready to go work on the EVO?
Dude, I'm so ready.
It's gonna be dope.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
We made it with the bike and the EVO. Hunter, you giving us the unboxing?
Dude, this is the setup
maybe.
right now.
Hunter,
May I
Tommy.
Of course. Do my unbox video.
All right, we're here. We got rubber.
Rubber,
Very
some silicone.
I think we got some spacer of
We don't
some
even know
sort.
what that
I have
is.
no idea what this is. Maybe turbo
Tommy can
something.
enlighten us, yeah.
I haven't started it up for a minute.
Ooh,
All right, we got a brown box.
open that baby up.
Ooh,
It's a big bitch.
the best part.
Jeez. Massive. Some gains right there. Intake filter. Hurry, unbox the rest, bro. We gotta see this.
Sorry. Ooh, nice.
Oh,
black
dang.
finish.
What brand is this?
ETS?
Nice.
Already got the connections ready to go.
So is this
bro.
gonna be a how to install a ETS intake video?
Dude, we totally can.
Okay, I like
We're just
it.
gonna roll with the punches though, because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh,
got
dude, we got
beans.
this.
We got your
Like, I know
white
how to do it,
Cheetos.
I've just never done it.
Mm-hmm.
We got some white Cheetos for you.
Will you try one of
Thank you.
those?
Yeah, I'll try
Give us
one.
a taste test.
Yeah, it says Japanese.
Japanese white
Yeah.
Cheetos.
it doesn't. It doesn't taste very well. Got all your connections, hosings.
All your little clamps.
Deep.
Pretty simple, just an intake. Well,
Hello.
we're working on another EVO. Can you give us how this is gonna go? What do we gotta do?
It's straightforward. Just move rubber stuff. And replace
Take
it with
stuff
more rubber
off.
Stuff, yeah.
Put stuff on. Let's go, Tommy. First, you gotta crack that bolt. First part
You
out,
just pull it off.
just like one
After
bolt.
you-
Easy.
Harness off.
Peace out. Now we're left with this little thing. So this is the part that we're replacing, right? We use the other, what you just took.
Stock map, I think. Okay. I'm gonna reach down and finesse it.
Finesse, Tommy, finesse.
Is that close somewhere? Yeah. Definitely. She's on there.
Stuck on there from heat.
It's coming. I feel it.
Oh, boy.
Doing a little bit of,
Yeah.
Hold it nicely.
there we go.
She's off.
Oh, give me a little review of that.
See, this is.
Not
I can't
good.
swear on YouTube. Yeah.
Nice. Stock
That's
one
it.
out. That's what it looks like.
Oh, look, Jack.
With nothing
Little
down
bit.
there.
Yeah. What is?
The right coupler.
Yeah. To go
Okay.
on the turbo.
So that coupler goes first, and that's a 2.5 to 3 inch.
Yeah.
So you shove it on the turbo spot. Nice.
There we go.
I like it.
You gotta film the dogs.
Hi, dogs.
Okay,
All right.
that's on there pretty good.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna tighten it.
Now we clamp it first. Let me hold this out of the way.
Thank you.
Oh. Jack, hold the blow-off valve out of the way. Yeah. All right, Tommy, what you doing there? Step 2.
We're doing it. We're throwing it on.
Intake.
Yeah. I think this will have to. I'll have to pull
You might want to
that
put the
out.
clamp on first too. Put it down on the coupler, so
Yeah.
that way you don't have to take it back off.
Yeah. How do I want to tighten it?
Ask me how I know, Jack.
Trial and error,
Yep.
not doing anything different, and then trying again.
I like making it symmetrical.
I agree.
Tighten it the same way.
Accessible.
Yeah.
Shove the intake tube down there.
I have to push that far in.
I touched it.
Can't tell if that's on down far enough.
So you got to pull off this hose right here, which connects to the blow-off valve, or it connected to the original spot on the blow-off valve.
Yeah.
But now we're using a new
ETS.
vacuum line.
ETS gives you this nice new one, so you don't have to go buy one.
Yes, thank you, ETS.
Yeah.
You guys are gods. Nice.
Blood cars all day.
That's the port, right? That one goes to the blow-off valve. Yeah,
figure
with
it out.
E85, so I don't want to hear it. Tell me the pump gas numbers. E85 is cheating, Tommy. Don't you know that? E85 is cheating,
Will you hold this?
right, Hunter?
No, it's not cheating.
Dang it. It's cheating, for sure.
Is race gas cheating then?
Yes, 100%.
Why?
Because it's a street car. So you're gonna just switch your tune and put on, like, make
Yes, I
800
could-
on,
I could do that with my cruise control and just go bloop, bloop.
Yeah,
yeah.
you
Go to
can
my
get
110.
maps. You can go maps, and then you can have both.
Enjoy that $10 a gallon fuel for your extra
I
50
only have to on the
horsepower.
weekends because I can just switch
It's
around.
called smiles per gallon.
Yeah, but why not just have pump gas and make 500 instead of 650?
Because I'll just
No
go
one,
to
no
the
one
other
wants to
pump.
say I'm running pump gas and having fun. Someone wants to say I'm running E85 and I'm fast as fuck and I'm scared.
Blow off valve tube. Off. Nice, Jack. Good job.
I did it good.
I think Tommy, he put some juice into it and loosened it. Just
You're right.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
yeah,
I
you,
cut my hand
you
again.
done messed up.
Yeah.
You did.
Are you okay?
Why don't? Okay, I only cut this hand, but I only burn this hand.
Switch them, dude. Don't care if it's wrong.
Looks better.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it good or do you want to do it right? Good is the answer.
Yes, always. Always good. Never right.
So this clamp right here.
Clamp first, always. Here, I could hold. Okay, you got
I got it. Right there.
Nice. That was a good shot.
Super smooth.
A very good view though, so it's okay.
Of my struggle.
There she goes.
Nice.
Ouch. Now you just gotta finesse it.
Jerry.
There we go.
Nice.
She's on.
She is now not a virgin.
Teamwork.
We don't.
True that.
Right.
Good job, Hunter.
Good catch. Doing good things. Shit. What was that?
Bleep, bleep.
I mean,
So ETS gives you a new vacuum line.
yeah. I don't know how long I want it. So I'm gonna throw this on.
Ooh, that one on easier too, which is nice.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna loop it
Okay.
just like that.
Yep.
Even though you scared the living crap out of me every time I come there.
You do have to cut.
He was mad that
Don't measure. Never measure.
Yep. You just
Always just-
send it.
Yes.
he knows who I am, but he's
If you measure,
kind of.
you're good.
He like
Mhm.
barks, he comes up to you and he's like runs off.
Dude, I miss Zeus. I love that dog.
Good boy.
Tell him I say hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Tommy says hi.
Ooh,
Nose?
I saw there's a clamp on it right there, but...
for the viewers. So stock mouth housing, new filter thingy that connects them.
See what it says right there?
What does it say, Jack?
ETS.
ETS. Explain that, Jack. What does that mean?
Extreme Turbo Systems, just a brand.
Oh.
Those high-end ones, you know. They do good turbo noise.
You trust them?
Yeah.
ETS is good.
It's kind of hard to screw it up.
Wait, okay, yeah. The final piece of the puzzle. Now we're talking.
I don't like how it's
See if
pushing.
Here, I'll hold this, give it a nice little push. It's a little better off to the side like that, but still.
It's just pushing on that sensor.
Oh.
Can you reroute the sensor?
I can pull it off, but
And like tuck it down?
I think it's okay.
Now you gotta see if you can just...
Time for the final tighten.
Yep. When it's straight.
Oh yeah. Always.
Pretty straight.
Ooh, I have
Says
T-bolt
breeze.
clamps that Wall gave me.
Really? Oh, they
Yeah,
came with it.
A bunch of
Nice.
extra couplers.
First start. Ooh. Yeah! It works! Hooray! You want this?
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. I need to show you. Pop. Okay, okay.
Wow, I think actually got a lot louder. Way louder.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Ah!
Nice. Oh yeah.
Following.
Yeah. Intake install done. Wait, want a little bit? That was perfect. Okay,
I
right
need
there.
the boys in it.
Yeah, I like it.